Looking to connect your classroom or library with the world of Mandarin language learning? NeuLingo provides a live language learning experience designed to optimize Chinese language acquisition for kids ages 5 through 16 through engaging online lessons that blend language learning with bridging cross-cultural understanding. We seamlessly connect your learners with highly experienced native-speaking Mandarin teachers through interactive group instruction that gives children a safe and fun place where every child is encouraged to grow in their confidence to speak Mandarin. Regardless of which level of interaction curriculum your learners need, they'll experience the real purpose of language as they practice communicating both with their teacher and together with the other students. Our instructors are native Chinese speakers, each of whom holds at least a bachelor's degree, has substantial teaching experience and training in online engagement. Wondering when class times are available? You decide. You schedule class times for your group of learners based on your availability and needs. If individualized lessons are a better fit for your needs, we also provide one-to-one instruction. Our goal is to help children not just learn the Mandarin language, but love the language, always while building understanding of Chinese culture. We can't wait to help you get started. Reach out to us at NeuLingoSales@cricketmedia.com, and our support team will spring into action to meet the needs of your learners.